In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 6 amazing pieces of software, both free and paid, that will elevate your skills and give you the resources that you really need for day trading. These include both free and paid packages, and I have been using each of these pieces of software that I'm going to be sharing with you personally for many years now. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Emily, and on Mindfully Trading, I share my journey as I grow and develop as a Forex trader. I originally started day trading the US stock market just over 5 years ago. Since then, I've gravitated towards day trading Forex. Alongside this, I'm also a full-time mother. I have 2 children under the age of 2, and my youngest I had just 2 months ago. A lot of 2s there. And if you are one of my regular subscribers, welcome back. You are awesome. Thank you for supporting the channel and for following me, sharing this journey with me. You can find links to all of the softwares that I'm going to mention in this video in the description below, along with any relevant coupon codes. So let's dive into the 6 top resources for day trading, starting with number 1, and that is most definitely TradingView. This is practically a must-have for any trader. TradingView is a powerful charting platform. It also offers a range of tools for technical analysis and a vibrant community. TradingView is like the Swiss Army knife for day trading. It is amazing. I have been using TradingView for over 5 years. I've used it since the beginning of my journey because, quite honestly, it's had absolutely everything that I have needed, and it also has a range of different packages. So it does offer a free package, and it offers a range of paid ones. Naturally, the more you pay, the more tools and features that you receive. Some of my favorite features of TradingView include this really handy watchlist tool where I can save all of the assets I like to trade. I can access every type of market, including Bitcoin for cryptocurrencies, there's gold, there is Forex pairs, and there are also stocks. There are tons of features included with the charting software, loads of different time frames, loads of different drawing tools. There are indicators, there are the ability for alerts. You can go back in time into bar replay mode if you want to backtest. There's also a stock screener if you want to search for specific stocks, and the ability to connect to a broker and actually trade from this platform as well. As I'm recording this video, it is coming up to Black Friday week, which is typically around about the last Friday, the last week of November. And that is certainly the week to consider signing up to TradingView if you have been thinking about it, because they have some incredible offers available, up to 70% off. So I have got links to that in the description below if you want to check those out. The next resource on my list is definitely the 5%ers. If you're looking to trade with a funded account without risking your own capital, then the 5%ers is definitely the way to go. They provide an opportunity to showcase your trading skills and to get funded, which is a game changer for many aspiring traders, especially if you suffer with lack of capital. I've been trading with the 5%ers for over a year now, and I have found them to be a really great company to work with. They have a lot of really good support, and in the dashboard they also have a lot of extra features such as workshops, webinars, one-on-one support, and access to a Discord chat room. So there is a vibrant community involved. They are not just simply a funding platform. But if it's funding that you're looking for, they do have a few different options available. They have the Hyper Growth program, the High Stakes program, and the Bootcamp program. Personally, I've been trading the High Stakes challenge, which has the benefit of having an unlimited time to pass. This really takes stress out of the equation because you can trade at your own pace. There are a range of different account sizes available for your challenge, and it is a 2-step process. So in step 1, you have to respect the loss, which is a max loss of 10%, and you have to reach the profit target of 8%. But you do have an unlimited amount of time to do this. If you're able to do that, then you proceed on to step 2, which is repeating step 1, but with a slightly smaller profit target of 5%. And once you're able to do that, then you can trade a fully funded live account where you take a profit split, which at the moment would be 80% to the trader and 20% to the 5%ers. But they also have an incredible scaling plan available, which is what makes this a very attractive package, because you're not just stuck to the account that you are trading. You are constantly growing and developing as a trader and making more money, which is what we all want. The next on my list is Forex Factory, which is the go-to place if you want to stay updated with the latest news and the latest economic events and how this might impact your trading. The forums are a goldmine of information, making this an essential resource for traders looking to expand their knowledge. So I've probably not even explored everything that you can do with Forex Factory because I simply use this as a news resource. I always go on to the calendar section, and at the moment I have it filtered on the currency pairs and the expected impact that I am most interested in. And here I can view upcoming economic events. So as I'm recording this, It's Friday the 17th of November, and today at 1:30 GMT there are building permits being released for US dollar. You can click on this icon to read more detail here. Now this is a critical piece of software that I use all the time with trading, because you can see all of these red boxes here. These are the high impact news. So for example, CPI for the pound, that's certainly high impact, and it tells you what the actual figure is once the news has been released, but it also gives you a forecast and also the previous figure. If you are a day trader, then news, economic news and events will definitely impact the market and influence your trading results. And that's why Forex Factory is a great resource, and it's also a free resource. So I have got a link to that in the description below if you want to add that to your trader's toolkit. Next up, we have Magic Keys. The name itself suggests unlocking something special, and that's exactly what this little keypad does. Magic Keys is an amazing tool to use to help you with both your risk management and your trade management. On this little keypad here, you can do so much that can help to speed up your trading and help you to make better trading decisions. So the main thing that I use this for is definitely for risk management. You can sync this up with your trading platform. So for me, it's MetaTrader, and you can use it to help you to calculate your lot size, your position size, based on what you want to risk. So for example, for me, I like to risk 1% of my overall trading account per trade. And I have set this up to do just that. So with a click of a button, this will open up a potential trade. I can set my stop loss, I can set my profit target, and know that it is risking 1% of that account without me having to calculate what that actually is. With this tool as well, you can also close partial positions, you can set a stop loss, you can go to break even. You can do quite a lot with just the press of a button. For Magic Keys, there is an option for either the physical keypad that I have right here, or they also offer an on-screen version, a digital version. Which one do you go for? It really depends on your budget and your preferences. The physical version is a little bit more expensive than the digital one, but if you prefer to have something in front of you to use, this can certainly be the better option. Whereas the on-screen version is a bit cheaper, but it is a monthly package, but it means that you can download it straight away and start using Magic Keys on the day. If you want to find out more about Magic Keys or check out some of the features that it can do, I have got a separate video, so I will include a link to that above. Make sure you check that out. If you like the sound of Magic Keys, if you want a tool to help you to calculate your position size, but you really are strapped for cash, which can often happen to the best of us at the beginning of our trading journey, then the next tool I'm going to share with you may be of interest, because this is a free version, and that is on Myfxbook. Myfxbook.com has a range of tools that can really help to transform your trading. And the main thing that I use on here is the position size calculator. Let's have a look. So from the home page, you can see underneath we've got FX tools. There's actually loads of tools on here, but I'm going to look at Forex calculators. Now there are quite a few different calculators on here, and the one that I like to use is position size calculator. And this helps you to calculate what lot size to take for a position. So let's do an example. We've got it set to Euro USD. This is for Forex. So there are loads of different Forex pairs on there, and I will leave it at Euro USD. You can also change the account currency, but I will leave that set up in US dollars. Account size, let's just put in $1,000, and let's say that we want to risk, 2% of that. And the position that we are going to take will be a 20 pip stop loss. So you do need to calculate your stop loss in order to calculate what lot size you're going to take. You don't need to change this box here. You just click calculate, and it will say that you are wanting to risk 2%, which is the equivalent of $20. And this works out at 0.1 lots for that trade plan. And it is totally free and easy to use. So you can also check out the economic calendar similar to Forex Factory News. There is also a Forex heat map, which can be quite a useful tool, a reference to see what is really weak and really strong at the moment in the markets. Myfxbook is also a comprehensive tool for helping you to track, analyze, and share your trading performance. It works out like a journal. You can actually upload your broker data, and you can use the different tools on there to help you to analyze it. So you can really do a lot with this tool, but personally, I have only ever really used it to calculate the position size before I got Magic Keys. And last but not least, let's talk about Vantage markets. Every trader is going to need a broker. You just cannot trade without a broker. You need to be able to access those markets. Now, there are so many brokers out there. In fact, I have created a few videos in the past on what to look for in a broker and some recommended brokers. And I have used quite a lot of different brokers in the past as well. I started off with a Wanda. I've switched about and used different brokers, including FX and recently FXView. But finding a broker that ticks all of the boxes can be quite a challenge because there's so many options out there and you just want to tick as many boxes as you can. And that's why I am recommending a broker here, and that is Vantage Markets, because I am based here in the UK, and for me this ticks a lot of the boxes at the moment. It is regulated, which is very important. You want your money to be safe. It has access to many different markets to trade. There are also different account options and the option to have an unlimited demo account, which is crucial, especially for beginners, because it means that you can trade in a risk-free environment using fake paper money. So you are not risking anything, you're not paying anything to build and practice your trading skills. Another feature that I really like about Vantage, and one of the main reasons I've decided to move there, is the deposit and the withdrawal method, because it actually allows you to use a variety of methods, including bank transfers, debit and credit card, as well as some other options that may apply to you like Nutella and Skrill. They also offer a powerful raw ECN account option, which for me is crucial because trading with as smaller spreads as possible is really important to help reduce slippage when you're trading. Now, there are a few countries that aren't able to use Vantage, including the US and Canada. So if you are watching this video from there, you may have to find an alternative broker. But once again, Awanda is a broker that offers to residents of those countries, so you can always check those out. But if you want to give Vantage Markets a go, I have got a link in the description below. And there you have it, my top 6 resources for day trading. These resources can make a significant impact in your trading, providing insights and support to help navigate you through the market successfully. Don't forget to check the links in the description below for more information. And if you've enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up so that I know to make more content like this. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and I will catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.